Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath support categories, select software and drivers. And then just scroll down again underneath installation software and drivers and select HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software and the download button. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up that file and then just give it a moment here. And then once you receive a user account control prompt, should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the HP Easy Start wizard here of getting your printer set up and configured. And that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty straightforward process from here. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.